Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial we are discussing about WordPress. So in this video tutorial we are going up to discuss about this post section. So there are four parts, all posts. So we can see the complete list of posts here, and then we can add new post, as well as we can create categories as well as tags. So let's start from categories. In the category section, there is one default category that is called uncategorized, and you cannot delete this. Simply, you can add it. So just I'm editing and renaming it as news. Okay, and then this is slug. So what is this slug? Slug is actually the URL of the category. Okay, so just I've changed it to news. Just click on update. Now I'm just going to create few more categories. For example, local news, and then the slug will automatically take, so that's why I'm not giving here slug, but I will select this news. So that means this is subcategory. The local news is subcategory of news category. So the news category, the parent category, that's why I'm selecting this as a parent category. Now just click on add new category. So as you can see, this local news is under news category. The news is parent category. Again, I'm creating more categories like national news. So this is national news. Okay, so this will also go under news category. Now here you can also write some description, but currently we don't need that. But if you want to write here, just you can give national news. Now let's click on add new category. So it's coming under news category. One more category I'm going to create, and that is international news. So I created third category as international news, and this will also go under news parent category. Okay, so just I can write here. So as you can see, we have created four categories, in fact three categories, which are, this is the main category, news is the main category, and these three are subcategories. Okay, now let's add few posts under this. Welcome to WordPress news. Okay, so the same thing will be added here, and then let's select here local news and publish. So rather I will name it as local news. Okay, so welcome to news, so that it will be easier to recognize. Okay, so this is local news. Now we will add for few more categories, say national news. National news. Just click on national news and then publish. And finally international news. Same thing, let's copy here and paste, and then select here international news. So let's publish. Now let's check it outside here in the front section. So here are three categories: international news, local news, national news, and main news category. If you click on international news, then it will display the international news. If you click on local news, then it will display the article or the news related to local news. Now in post section we will see few more things which we will discuss later in. Okay, so now in this post section there are some advanced things also which I will show you that how that works. This is Kolkata news. Okay, so for me this is your local news, and now here I'm just putting it, and apart from that you can give tags here. Okay, so what is tag is usually for SEO purposes. Okay, so suppose I'm writing here uh, metro news, and then add Shalda news. Shalda is a city, just a place inside Kolkata. Salt Lake news, Howrah news. Okay, so suppose if anyone is searching regarding Shalda, then it is most likely that my this article should also appear in search result. So if anyone is searching Salt Lake news, then the chances is that this news should also appear in the search result. That is why this text things are added here. Okay, so click on publish. Now there are a few more things here published. If you want to make it as pending for review, then suppose uh, in your office there is one your staff who also writes, but for to make sure that everything is fine, you are the boss, you are the main editor. So once the editor checks and it is proper, only then it should be published. So what he will do, he will simply just click here and just make it pending for review and update. Then this article will not appear in the front section until the main editor, the admin, approves it. So how this will work, just click on all posts and you will see in the list pending. You can see here pending. Okay, but if the admin comes and then edit here and simply just click on publish. Okay, then this news is published and finally it will appear here in the main section. So this Kolkata news is appearing here. Okay, and the next thing is visibility. Visibility, there is public and there is stick post to the front page. So what it is, let me show you. You can see here that it is showing in descending order. That means the latest post shows first and the last one shows in the last. Okay, so suppose there is one article which you want to fix, you don't want to change that. So in that case uh, you can put here. So for example, this is the season of Raksha Bandhan festival, so I'm right here Bandhan. Okay, so I want to show this in the top. So what I will do is stick this post in the top. So for maybe 2 days I want to stick this in the post in the top. So you can see this is sticky post, and let me add one more article, then you will understand what I mean. This is another article. Okay, so by default this article should show first, but you will see here the Raksha Bandhan, this one is always fixed, and from here it will come in descending order. So what is this sticky post? The sticky post is actually, sorry, this one. The sticky post is if you want any article to be fixed in the first position, then you can just click on sticky post. And also there is one more option, password protected. So what is that? Suppose you have added one family photo, for example is family photo, and I'm adding here few uh, images. Okay, Windows, C drive, Windows, web, wallpaper, just like take any. So this is suppose my family photo. Okay, now I want to show this photo to only the known friends, and this shouldn't be available for public. So this post can be seen by only who knows the password. Okay, so we can set here password. Just I'm setting password here. Say VC, and then okay, and then update. Now refresh it, and you can see the photo doesn't appear here. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just click on this post and send to my friend, okay, or send to my relative and say that the password is ABC. So if he knows password and write here the password ABC, then sorry, then he can see this photo. Okay, so that's the power of password protected in WordPress post. And there is another option which is also an important option. So suppose you have written an article, or you just have written some list here which you don't want to show to the public. That article you want to keep in your WordPress for reference purposes for your use, but not the general public. So you can just write here, this is for me and will not be for public. Okay, so suppose this is any private article you have written here. Okay, so just go to here and click on private and okay, and then update this article. Now you can see here this is private, and you can also see the uh, this message, but you will not ask that what is the benefit, because it looks like the normal article. Yes, the benefit is that as soon as you are logged in as an admin, that is why you can see this, and as soon as you just log out, that article will disappear from the front list. Just refresh, and that is gone now. Okay, so that is private, that means for you only, for the administrator only. Okay, so that's the option in WordPress. And there is one another option which I would like to also show here, then we'll proceed for uh, other parts. Here published, you can set and change the date. Okay, suppose you every week you post some article, but for some reason you are going to holiday for 1 month. So you are not carrying your laptop and your smartphone also, but you want to publish the article every week for your user, because the user your is used to reading your article. So what you will do, you will just write this for future also. For example, say you know, happy puja. Okay, and then just writing here and go to immediately, and then just checking the date. Okay, so it is 15th of October. Okay, so uh, just right here October and 15th. So what will happen, this article will automatically be published on 15th of October, whether you are online or not, it doesn't matter. WordPress, as soon as the date will match, and it will get automatically published. And currently you can see in the front section it will not appear. It will appear only on 15th of October. Okay, so you can schedule here different posts. So hope you like this video and you understand. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will continue in this section more, like we will now in the next video I will show you the page section. Okay, so stay connected. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.